Hello, my friends. I'm so excited to share these products with you because they coordinate with our Club Stamp and Die set, all bundled up. So if you're in the Stamp and Die Hard Club set, you got these two items, right? But wait, there's more, because if you know me at all, you know that I cannot stop with just 3 little critters, right? So I added 2 others and lots of other sayings. And look at how cute these guys are. So I have a little deer over here and a little owl sending you a cozy hello. You're one cool critter. Cozy critter sending hugs. I was able to get those 2 little guys on there also. What a hoot. And I'll be there for you, which I think that's so cute. Now, yes, of course, there is dies that match. Ding, 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 right? Now, for the collection, you know I'm never going to be able to stop with just that. So I also did, ding, 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 yes, stencils, because you know what? I do not want to color if I don't have to. I'd much rather use my brushes. So I did stencils as well. Then I also released, and because it doesn't look like anything when I show it to you backwards, the words hello there, which I know we are all madly, deeply in love with this font. So yes, this just adds to the collection of the bold words, which I love so much. Hello there. And this is so cute because this is our magic gift card where you open it up and the gift card is hiding inside, which is so fun. Hello there. And also a fold it that hello matches this perfectly. It is a winter beanie fold it, and the file is so large they had to include an extra piece in here because hello, it wouldn't fit. So yes, you are getting this awesome in the collection. You are getting this awesome winter beanie. Now, let me show you all the samples I have because it's really going to kind of make everything go together. But first, I thought it would be important to show you all of the winter bundled item critters together. Here they are all together. Cheryl put them all together using our awesome masket paper. Look at how cute this is. We have our little moose, our deer, and look, I did all of their heights appropriately so they could stand just like this, which I love this. Then we have our little fox or raccoon, whichever you want to call him, you get to pick. And then we have a little owl and even a little bird, which is just so cute. I think that bird just gets me every time. Now, let's look at some other items, but don't you just love all of the critters together? I love him so much. Well, Michelle made a cute little stuffy with the winter beanie, which is so cute. Yes, she always uses our wool felt because our wool felt can be cut with the dies, which is so handy, right? Now, I don't know. I think this one might be one of my favorites. Look at how cute this is. It is our snow globe fold it, all decked out with these cute little guys in there. Cozy critters sending hugs. Isn't that adorable? If you don't have that the snow globe fold it, you'll definitely want to get that one. Now, here's a cute one, that little bird with the hello there. I just think it's so cute. Those fun trees in the background. Here's our little owl, and you can make your own background paper with all of the words. Isn't that fun? I love that. Here's another one, sending you hugs, sending you cozy hugs, a cozy hello, sorry, cozy hello. Here's a fun one, have a chill day. Notice that these two are very, very similar, but 100% different. Isn't that awesome? The way you change what size die you use and what size pattern paper or cardstock makes it change completely, right? I love that. Oh, here's a cute one. Moose you so much. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Here is a fun one too. I love this background paper too, this pattern paper. You're one cool critter. So cute. Oh, I love this one. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Cozy critters sending hugs. Aren't those little guys so adorable? I love them. Now, this one I showed you in the last video, but it's worth showing you again because look at how cute that is with all those little guys. Hello there, and they are just there to say hello. I love that. That hello there, I think you're going to use it way more than you expect, in all honesty. It's a nice, good size. Ooh, and if this background die looks not familiar, if it looks lovely to you, stay tuned. This is a sneak peek. In fact, here is another sneak peek for the same background die. It goes perfect with these little critters, doesn't it? I love that. Now let's look at some beanies because let me tell you, these beanies are so much fun. So here's a cute one, Just Breathe, with the inside, sending you a cozy hello. Then this is what I did. I gave you that fun little zigzag to add to your winter beanie if you wanted. Now you could call this a winter beanie. You could call it just a little cap, whatever you want, but look how cute it is. Ken would just call it a beanie, but isn't it adorable? I love it. And all these little winter guys just go perfect with it. Here's another one. How cute is that? Using our hologram paper with our snowflake dies. Ooh, here's one perfect for the fall. So it's not just a winter beanie, it is a fall beanie as well. Or it is a pink winter beanie. I love that. That's my favorite. Now let's look at a couple more hello there's. Here's another one with that fun magic gift card. Ready? We're going to open it up. There's a gift card on the inside. I love it. Here's another one. This is on an A1 card base. So you're going to see that that hello there works great on all different sizes of cards. Now, club members, the first everyone actually, the first 24 hours, these items are on our website. They are on flash sale. That means you're getting an extra special discount. Now, as they are on flash sale, they do sell out. And we've added a collection so you can get all of the add-on items, not only at flash sale prices, but at a special collection price as well. And then club members, yes, you get your discount on top of that. It's like you're going to stack all those awesome discounts and get these items at amazing prices. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com. Get these items ASAP. Again, the first 24 hours, they are on flash sale. Also, if you're not in one of our clubs, what are you waiting for? Christmas? Well, Christmas is almost here. Join now, get the extra benefits of those club discounts. Also, you're going to get club points on every shipment, and you're going to earn anniversary gifts if you stay in a full year. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video. Your eyes are just going to light up, let me tell you. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.